All right, what's good, Joel? So, yesterday I spent a stupid amount of time trying to get um the GitHub Actions to work as I want them to, and I pretty much almost had it. The builds were going up until the creative release. But after that, what is this? But after that, it wasn't putting it in the release, and then I tried to fix it, and I screwed everything up. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna just revert, um, get it working as it was before, and then I'll come back to it later because I'm spending way too much time on this. School starts next week, or not next week, but the week after next, I guess. No, because Sunday next week, and I really want to finish this. I want to finish all my summer projects, to be honest, but this one's almost done. But I still need to do testing for it, so there's possibly debug stuff I have to do, and I just don't feel like spending a bunch of time on this is worth it, especially when I feel like I learned a lot from it already. Um, so what I'm going to do instead is, if I could plug this in, is I'm going to, yeah, go back to the state it was before and then just write out the build instructions. So that'll be all the like feature commits slash debugs I want to do for the 1.0 release, because that's pretty much everything. But let me unassign myself in case anybody else wants to do it. Um, yeah. So let me go back to that repo. So I can now remove git stats test. Actually, oh, I shouldn't have done that because I still need to make sure everything's working as intended. So I should go back here, and I need to clone it again. Clone. And then I want to remove git stats test.github, and I want to replace it with what's currently in. Wait, I need to copy recursively. Git stats test.github, and then this is going to git stats test slash github. Oh, right, there doesn't exist a .github. Oh, I did that wrong. So git stats test remove rs git, how do I spell it? Hub. There we go. All right. So right now in the current state, I want to see where it's at right now. Commit, message, whatever, git push, and we git tag it with, let's just do 2 because I don't remember where I left off. Push origin main 2.0.0. So let's see how that goes. Okay, just gotta build it. It didn't check formatting, which I want it to do. I want it to check formatting for everything. Actions, right? No, I don't think that's, I think it's workflows. Rename, check formatting. It does it for push. Oops. Wait, yeah, it should have done it for push. Oh wait, is the tag one a different? Oh yeah, it does. Check formatting. Why did it skip? Check format runs on 2. Wait, what? Yeah, I actually don't know why that skipped. But it created the release. Let me check that first. So you have the source and the devs. But this, yeah, this is going to be the source. So I need to provide instructions for building said source. So it'll basically just be doing all of this. Yeah, so that works correctly. It's just I have to figure out why it's not checking. Actually, does it check if I do it without a tag? Oh. Wait, no. What am I on? Oh, I'm in good stats right now. I'm silly. Let's test. Did I change anything? I don't think so. I need to change something. Okay. Now let's see if it checks the formatting for that. It didn't run anything? What? Run failed. Oh, it was running something. Error where? No event triggers defined in on. What? Is it because of the formatting thing? It still didn't check the formatting. Why isn't it doing that? We have permissions, right? Cancel in progress. Group. Jobs. Check format. I'm so lost. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. I think this has to be main. Oh, you wait for that. Oops, not issues. Let's go to actions. This one has to wait for this one. Okay. How do I mark all as red? There we go. Select all. Done. Oh, I can cancel it. Now this should start running. Or not. Cancel. Okay, there we go. Now the one I actually want. There we go. Now the formatting's running. Okay, cool. It's because my branch is a name master. I'll check those. Hopefully that's right, because I think that cancels release. Okay, cool. Formatting's right. Oh, right, because I didn't change any of the code. Now for this one, do I have my issue templates? Yes. Which means I can copy it right over. And given this, I can update the issue for what I want so I don't forget later. Right? So now let's do what? L.config OBS Studio plugins. Right, so cool. Actually, oh no, it doesn't matter. Let's do this, and I'll specify what it's supposed to be. Now, can I copy this? Awesome. Now, why didn't it create the release? That is something else I need to fix. But we can come over here. Get stats. So I want to update the issue here. The formats for archive should be as follows. Actually, let me edit this. Comes from the, what is it, data folder? Yeah. I can remove this too. The binary comes from the build itself. Cool. Shoot, I needed the last one open. Or one of them. Oh, no, I didn't. It was the second last one. No, it wasn't. Where'd my get stats go? Go get stats test. Cool. So that builds that correctly. So now if I tag it, it should create the release for me. Get tag 2.1 get push origin main 2.0.1. Right. That might run this again. Yeah, it will. So that will run this. And then it should create the release for me. I guess it's fine that it doesn't check the formatting here. But I guess I should, because you can always append it. Oh wait, this is push. One push. Cancel in progress of tag. Oh, I see, I see. Wait. No, I don't see. Oh, okay, so if you push the main, then do this. If this is a tag, then you do that. Okay. There we go. This shouldn't take much longer. And the release will take like 2 seconds. There we go. All right. So that should be done. Oh, the tag doesn't show up in the commit? I didn't know that actually. So we have this. So let's download both of these and see how they do. Let's search get stats, make sure I don't have it installed already. And then .config OBS plugins. Okay, I already have that, but I don't want that. Okay, cool. So now, actually I could just do it here. We can, oh boy. Let's remove get stats, all that. Okay, then let's reinstall these. And then I want to extract get stats that. Yep, so that gives me the whole source. Now, so that one's fine. Let's try to install get stats. Why can't I? Oh, install get stats. Okay, cool. So now I should be able to open OBS. And there we go, we have it. Cool. So search, it should show up here as the stats. Yep. So remove or purge, I guess. I don't know why it's not. Oh, there we go. Oh, I filled that time. Alright, cool. So the building is proper. Well, for the time being. So let's go ahead and take this and, you know, so I want to remove get stats /.github, and then I want to copy recursively get stats test.github to get stats, and then we can go to get stats, see if there's any changes. Yep. And improve. Process, I guess. I don't even know what I did. I want to see what the difference is. I'm gonna keep that alive just so I can test it later. I have two of these same things open. Uh-oh, I pushed the wrong thing. Oops. I should have pushed that to me. How do I... If it's your last commit, you can do git rebase head and delete the second line. Now here that shows up. Okay. Right. Oh, this is Nano, not Viv. Improve GitHub Actions process. I want to delete this one. Okay, exit, save, yes, enter. And then you what? So now that should have got rid of that one. Okay, cool. So now, let's see, with, what was I gonna do? Git checkout main. Is behind by 3 commits that can be fast forwarded. What commits is it behind on? Oh, I see. Did I not pull? Git pull. That'll get my untracked files, right? Where are the commit names? I guess it doesn't show. Anyway. Okay, so. Oh. Right. And then projects. That's test. Actually, I didn't have to do that. Copy recursively. Guess that's test.github to guess that's test status. Okay, cool. So now it should show them in. Awesome. Okay, so now what I need to do is do this. So let's go ahead and create a new branch. Why do I have 2 branches now? Oh, this should be gone. Because this was linked to a pull request and I reopened it by forgetting to change it. That's the one that, no. How to update branches on local repo. Wait, but I want to whatever. Deleted branches on local. I want to automatically do this. Prune tracking branches not on the remote. Get remote prune. Wait. Prunes tracking branches not on the remote. List branches that have been merged into the current branch. Deletes branches listed in the standard output. I think it's get remote origin. Bro, what did that even do? I don't quite get it. The safest way to use. Okay, I'm not doing all this. This is a little silly. Okay, I need to create a new branch. So this is a, I'll just say docs issue. What issue is this? Issue number 10. Issue 10. Right. What I write? Build and install instructions. Make sure I'm on the right one. All right, cool. So I can delete this and then go to readme and then mark down preview. Oh. How do I? No, that's one way to do it. All right. So features. I don't know if I want to see. Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. I don't know yet if OBS 30 is required or not. I'll check that when I try to install it on my system or my Debian system. So you need a nerd font. Actually, I could just say a mono space nerd font because it looks stupid without one. So and then future features. I finished this. Okay, so yeah, I'll make a dev folder. So installation, we have what? We have the source. Okay, so Debian-based systems. So you'll first download download git stats x86 64 x new .dev from the releases page. I want to link though. Can I releases? Okay, we'll do that. From the releases page, that create a link. Cool. Oh man. With apt install x86 64 Linux GNU dev. Okay, that's for Debian-based systems. I kind of want that smaller. There we go. So let's test that real quick. Make sure I don't have it installed already. Move, get stats, whatever. So we can go to the releases page. Then we can download this. And then we can run install sudo install unable to locate package. Oh, there we go. Glad I tested it. So this should be that. Right. And then for other, this is for so for other systems, you can have option 1. Is there even a file? There is. Option 1. This is ugly. I don't really care though. Option 1 is to download get stats whatever source.tar xz from the releases. Do I still have a copy? Oh no, I don't. On the releases page. Extract with tar xf get stats source.tar.xz. Actually, this should be option 2. Option 1 is easier. I mean, the other option is easier. And then what? Use cd extract with cd into get stats with cd get stats, and then run the following commands to build the project. So where is this? I need, where is it? Oh, here it is. So we're essentially telling them to do this. So we're going to .github /scripts /build Linux. Actually, I could do this. Actually, let me do it like this. Right? And then we can do make their release row with, actually, I'm gonna just copy this. Move really into. Actually, I could have just bulk move that over. Okay, so we have what? Oops. So we have build it, make the binary directory, make the 64-bit directory. And then we copy the binary into our path. And then we make the data directory. Actually, this can be condensed into one. -p slash 64 bits. Okay. And then we make the data directory. And then we put all that's in there, right? And then move, or let's say copy the, wait, I think I'm missing a part. Stats. Oh, no, we're good. Okay, copy the directory into your OBS plugin directory. So you'll copy the, what is it, release. It's essentially this, except I want to copy it, not move it, just in case I mess up somewhere. Right, so we copy the release, blah, blah, blah. So we should have notes if the /config / OBS studio plugins directory does not exist. Just created. Right. So now we have option 2. Actually, I should just make this bold. Delete to 0. Oops. So this was option 2. Option 1 would be to download the source again, extract, cd into the directory, and then make build script executable. How much time I got left? 2 minutes. I'm cool. Executable with gmod plus x build, what is it called? Build project.sh, and then run rebuild script. This will create, or no, this will build the project and move the build to the OBS stock config / OBS studio / directory. Okay, cool. How are we looking? Make sure this link still works. Cool. Okay, awesome. Actually, okay, the entire thing is bold over here, so I should do the same here. And here too. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. I'll read over that, test it, and then tomorrow we will be testing the entirety of the plugin. Make sure it works as intended, and if it does, I'm done. Well, not done. There's more stuff I want to add, but done for now.